This is Dr. Sarala. Welcome to Millet Magic.
Today we're making Millet Muthiya, a traditional Gujarati dish that's perfect for a light breakfast, a healthy evening snack, or even something you can pack for travel. It's made with simple, wholesome ingredients which are first gently steamed to keep it light and then finished with a tadka which adds a punch of flavor and some crunch. Those of you who think that millets are only for khichdi, bisi bele bath and a limited few items, think again. Millet Muthiya are here to prove you wrong. Try them once and I'm sure you'll be making them quite often. So let's get started and make these soft, flavorful millet muthiyas. The first ingredient which we are going to need is 1 cup of millet flour. Today I am using foxtail millet flour, but you can use the flour of any of the 5 positive millets. We're also going to need 1/4 cup of gram flour. Like in all our other recipes, we are going to maintain the same ratio. 4 parts of millet is to 1 part of dal. We're also going to need 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of dhania powder, half a teaspoon of jeera powder, half a teaspoon of palm jaggery powder, and a pinch of hing. We will also be using 1 cup of finely grated bottle gourd, half a cup of finely chopped methi leaves, and 1 inch of ginger which has been finely grated. And for the final tadka, we will need a teaspoon of mustard seeds, 2 teaspoons of til or sesame seeds, finely chopped coriander, a few curry leaves, and 2 to 3 dried red chili. And of course, we need salt to taste. Here I am using unrefined sea salt and some oil for cooking. Here I am using groundnut oil which has been extracted by a bull driven wooden ghani. The first step is to add all the dry ingredients into a mixing bowl. So in goes 1 cup of foxtail millet flour, 1/4 cup of gram flour, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of dhania powder, half a teaspoon of jeera powder. Then mix all the dry ingredients together. We're also going to add in half a teaspoon of palm jaggery powder to balance out all the flavors. It's now time to add in 1 cup of grated bottle gourd and half a cup of finely chopped methi leaves. We'll also add in the grated ginger. Next, we're going to add salt to taste. Salt is also going to act on the bottle gourd and make it release a lot of its water. So after giving it a nice mix, we're going to set it aside for 10 minutes so that all the moisture is going to get released. As you can see, after 10 minutes, quite a lot of water has been released by the bottle gourd. If you feel necessary, you may sprinkle a little bit of water so that all of the flour comes together as a dough. But remember, we're going to set this aside for another 2 hours so that the millet flour can soak. The bottle gourd is going to continue to release a little more moisture during these 2 hours. We don't want it to be over soggy by the end of 2 hours, so just add a little water now and keep it slightly dry. It's been 2 hours now. Sprinkle a little water if necessary, to adjust the consistency. Using your hands, mold the dough into a cylindrical shape. The next step is steaming. So place the muthia in a steamer and allow them to cook for 15 to 20 minutes. You will know that the steaming process is complete when you touch with a wet hand and nothing sticks to your fingers. Now using a knife, cut the steamed muthia into small disc-shaped pieces. You can store the steamed muthias in the fridge for about 3 to 4 days and add the tadka as and when you want to use it. And now for the final step, which is the tadka. Heat some oil in a broad-based pan. Once the oil is hot, add in a teaspoon of mustard seeds. Allow the mustard seeds to splutter and then add in 2 teaspoons of sesame seeds. Next to go into the tadka is a pinch of hing. Also add in the finely chopped coriander and a few curry leaves and saute well for a minute. Also break a few red chilies and add them into the tadka. Sesame seeds are one of the most undervalued ingredients. Being rich in calcium, magnesium, iron, zinc, and also containing healthy fats, it's important that we include sesame seeds in our day-to-day cooking wherever possible. In this recipe, they also impart a wonderful flavor and crunch to the dish. Now into the tadka go the cut pieces of the muthia. Gently toss them around for a minute so that they absorb all the flavors in and get a slight crunchy texture on the surface. And there you go. Healthy and tasty millet muthiya are ready. You can serve the muthiyas with fresh pudina chutney and I'm sure everyone is going to love them. Those of you who think that millets are only for khichdi, bisi bele baat and a limited few items, think again. Millet muthiya are here to prove you wrong. Try them once and I'm sure you'll be making them quite often. We'll be back soon with many more interesting and tasty millet recipes. Until then, happy cooking!